Welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. This video is long overdue. I've had this collection for a couple months now. It's just been taking me way too long to finish this video, but we're digging into the ColourPop Animal Crossing collection. When I saw this come out, super excited. My oldest was super excited. We have Animal Crossing on the Switch. We absolutely love it. We all share an island that Hayden named Ohana. I missed the first launch of it, and then by this time they restocked and got it back in. That's when we ordered it and I got it. I'm not gonna go deep into like the swatches or anything, but I'll quickly go over what is in this collection in case you don't know, even though it's been out for a couple months now. I'm sure everybody knows ColourPop is extremely popular. They launch something basically every week, so I'm sure everybody knows about this collection. But in case you don't, I'm just gonna quickly go over it. It comes with 4 eyeshadow palettes. This is Labelle of the Ball. It has beautiful purple collection. And each of these eyeshadow palettes has a matte, a shimmer, a sequin, and a glitter. So that's Labelle of the Ball. This one is What a Hoot, 5-Star Island, and Nook Ink. And I must say that I think this one is my favorite. This one and Labelle of the Ball, I think, are my 2 favorite palettes. It also comes with 2 pressed powder blushes. We have Flower Tender and Flower Power. It comes with a Glitterly Obsessed. Glitter gel is called Bellionaire, which looks like this. It also comes with a Super Shock shadow, and this one is in the shade Balloon Pop. And then it comes with 6 Just a Tint lipsticks, hence the reason why I did 6 looks in one video, so I could use each of the lipsticks. This one is Cherry Cherry, and I think this one might be my absolute favorite color. So this look that I created here, I'm using all 4 eyeshadow palettes. My original plan was to use, you know, a matte from one palette, a shimmer from another palette, a sequin shadow, and a glitter from each of the palettes. But as I was trying to swatch them and figure out what I wanted to do, I ended up loving these 3 swatches, or these colors swatched together, so I decided to go with that look. And I think I love this look so much more than what I was originally planning. So anyway, I will stop talking and let's get into these 6 looks that I created with the ColourPop Animal Crossing collection. All right, that's the end of this collection. Leave a comment and tell me what you think about this collection and which of these 6 looks was your favorite. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.